Fischer Homes recently experienced a horrible accident involving a jet ski that was rented by a customer. The accident has been reported to have caused severe injury to the user of the jet ski and is currently being treated in hospital. The rider was reportedly going at a high speed when the accident happened. Fischer Homes immediately reported the incident and suspended their jet ski rental services. The company is cooperating with the investigation to determine the exact cause of the accident. It is believed that the rider was not wearing the proper safety equipment when the incident occurred. Local authorities are urging jet ski riders to always wear a life vest when out on the water. There is no word yet as to when Fischer Homes will resume their jet ski rental services. The company has apologized to the injured customer and is providing full compensation for all medical costs. The customer's family is reportedly speaking to a lawyer to discuss the potential lawsuit. The accident has drawn criticism from the local community, who are concerned about safety regulations. Fischer Homes is working closely with the local authorities to ensure proper safety standards are met in the future. The accident has caused many to question the safety of the company's jet ski rental services. Fischer Homes has received many complaints from customers after the incident was reported. The company has issued a statement expressing sincere regret for what happened and pledging to do better. Fischer Homes has released a list of safety protocols for jet ski riders to follow when renting out a jet ski. The company is encouraging customers to always wear a life vest when operating a jet ski. Fischer Homes is reportedly looking into ways to better monitor their jet ski rental services. The accident has brought attention to the dangers of operating a jet ski without adhering to safety standards. A number of people have urged the local government to impose stricter regulations on jet ski operators. Fischer Homes is working hard to restore its reputation in the community by ensuring safety is their top priority. The company is actively reviewing its jet ski rental services to prevent similar accidents in the future. Fischer Homes has also started promoting water safety education to educate potential riders on the dangers of jet skiing. The company is also offering free safety classes for customers to ensure everyone is aware of the risks. Fischer Homes is also using this opportunity to emphasize the importance of swift reactions in case of any emergency out on the water.